I am here with my egg boiler and I would like to see if I can cook rice in this egg boiler. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. This is my Urbinz Egg Boiler. It did not come with any inserts other than the one for making hard-boiled eggs. I understand that the Dash Egg Boiler actually comes with like a little bowl and another little insert where you could poach eggs. So with this one, I have a stainless steel bowl because I just happen to have a bowl that fits it. And this stainless steel bowl is from the Dollar Tree. And I've put 1/3 cup of brown long grain rice in it. I don't know what kind of rice it is. I just had it in a mason jar in my pantry. And I'm really curious to see if we can cook some rice in this egg boiler. So I'm gonna add 2/3 cup of water to the bowl. I don't know if that's gonna like cook over the edge of the bowl when that cooks. So this is an experiment and we're gonna see what happens. And I'm gonna use the measuring cup that came with this unit to put water in the bottom. I'm sorry if the camera is shaking. I have it on a tripod and it doesn't seem to be very steady. So if it's moving around, that's why. Okay, so this holds quite a bit of water because the bottom of this bowl is very narrow. The other day when I made steamed shrimp and veggies in here, I used a different bowl and it had a much wider bottom and it did not hold as much water. So it's good for me to notice that more water can be held in the bottom of this one with this bowl. So now I'm going to put the lid on and let's plug this in. I just plugged it into a portable power bank. Let's turn this on. And this should cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to put a timer on to keep track of the time. And on the portable power bank, it says there's 58% power left, and this is pulling 345 watts. It's been 13 minutes and I'm starting to get the aroma of rice cooking. The light is still on, so it has not gone through all of the water that's in there yet, so I'm going to come back and check it in a little while. It's been 19 minutes. I just walked in and saw that the light is off, which means all the water has evaporated. So let's open this up and see what's going on. This rice looks like it's far from being done. That does not look like it's fully cooked. I just tasted it. It's actually edible right now, but it's not totally cooked. Like, it's not hard, but it's not totally cooked. I just put more water in the bottom. I filled it up as much as I could, and the light came back on and it turned itself back on. So let's put the cover back on. And let's let it cook through this amount of water and then come back and see how the rice is. It should be cooked. I mean, right now I just tasted it. It was like halfway cooked. So we should get a full cook on this rice. It's been about another 15 minutes, and I don't know if you could see this, but there's quite a bit of water here on the bottom, so I definitely put too much water in the second time. Look at that rice. That looks really good. So here's the rice. It looks nice and fluffy. It looks like there's a little bit of liquid left on the bottom. So I probably could put less water in next time. But it's nicely cooked. So yeah, that worked well. And on the portable power bank, we are now down to 19%. This is how I'm eating the rice. So I have about half of that brown rice here, along with some chopped salad from a bag. You know, the salad kits you could get in a bag. So I have a handful of that. And then I also have a hard-boiled egg that I chopped up, a little bit of soy sauce, and some Green Goddess seasoning from Trader Joe's. It looks really good, and I am going to enjoy this as my breakfast. And so that is how you can make rice in an egg boiler. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we could cook in an egg boiler. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.